Well, I'll say what I believe, and you say what you believe?
Okay.
All right, so
As a Christian, I believe that God is triune. He is one in his essence. There is only one God. Deuteronomy chapter 6, verse 4. Hear, O Israel, the Lord your God is one. We call that the Shema. And you will hear Jews say this when they pray. Now, what you would call Injil, our gospel makes it clear that Christ is telling us he is divine. So, for example, in John chapter 14, verse 13 and 14, Jesus says that we can pray to him and he will answer our prayers in his name. Now, we take claims like that as claims of divinity. As a Muslim, you cannot pray to Muhammad. To do so would be shirk. Likewise, when Jesus said we can pray to him, either he's now saying he's a separate God, which would be blasphemy, or he is saying that he is the same God as the Father. As Trinitarians, we understand that there is indeed three persons of the Trinity, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, but only one God, only one divine essence, fully partaken of all those three hypostases, we would say, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. This is what the Christian believes. Our doctrines are grounded in the biblical evidence. You can find support all the way through the New Testament and the Old Testament.
Perfect.